Sine ng Buhay where we answer one question, bakit kayang baguhin ng pelikulang Pilipino ang buhay natin?
Walang himala!
Kat! Intro pa lang tayo. Huy! Film is one of the most influential art forms in the Philippines. It reflects our stories, our culture, and the emotions we share as a nation. Through cinema, we learn, we laugh, we cry, and sometimes... Before I answer why cinema can change lives, let me introduce to you first what are the 3 important elements that make the cinema alive. Let's start with the audience. The audience itself, what makes films to have such purpose, and the reason why film can change life is because there are lives watching and feelings the art of a film. They even find themselves buying popcorn first before entering the theater.
Pahingi nga ng popcorn. Teka, sumama loob mo?
Hindi masama yung loob ko. Okay nga lang ako.
Ayan ka na naman.
Ano na naman ako?
Ayan, ganyan. Sabihin mo, walang problema. Pero meron naman pala.
Wala naman talaga eh.
Bash, paano ko maaayos yung problema? Kung hindi mo sasabihin sa akin?
Boy, hindi lahat ng problema kaya mong ayusin. And believe me, hindi mo gustong malaman kung ano yung problema ko.
Eh ano nga kasi yung problema?
Gusto mo talaga malaman? Ako yung problema. Kasi nasasaktan ako kahit hindi naman dapat ako nasasaktan.
Kat! Manonood kayo dito, hindi acting. Bumili pa kayo ng ticket niyan, ha? Second element is the people behind the scene. Behind every Filipino film is a team of hard-working artists. Directors shape the vision, cinematographers craft the visuals, script writers build the story, actors give life to characters, editors weave scenes into meaning, and the production crew keeps everything running.
Cut. Sounds, lights, props, merienda.
Diyos ko naman, Direk. Pwede bang artista muna bago sandwich maker?
Sus, buti pa si Celine.
Hindi ako si Celine! So stop comparing me to her!
Tama! Hindi ikaw si Celine. And you will never be Celine. Cut. Asan yung luha mo?
Ay? Ha? Ay? Wait. Wala ko sibuyas.
Sige, pasuyo na rin ako ng tinapay, tsaka kape. Libre kita mamaya fishball pag uwi.
Third element is the actors and actresses. They bring the story to life. Through their expressions, voices, and emotions, they allow us to feel the world of the film. Great performances make characters unforgettable and scenes iconic.
Hindi nga kasi. Mali nga kasi pagluha mo kanina sa set.
Lumuha naman ako Tumulo pa nga galing sa mata ko, oh. Kitang-kita pa nga sa video eh. Kahit tanongin mo pa si Direk.
Na naman tayo eh. Mali nga.
Anong... wala akong ginawang masama!
Akala mo lang wala. Pero meron. Meron.
Oh. Ano nga?
Dapat sa kaliwang mata nang gagaling ang pagluha. Kasi nga 'di ba may mali ka. So hindi ka right. Dapat left.
Now that you know what makes the cinema alive, now let's go back with our main question. Why does cinema change lives? Filipino cinema has always been more than entertainment. It is a cultural mirror showing who we are, what we fight for, and what we dream of becoming. From stories of love and heartbreak to films about heroes and history, our movies preserve the struggles and victories of the Filipino spirit.
During different periods in our history, film became a voice for freedom during the days of Filipinos being conquered, a voice for unity during times of crisis, and a voice for identity in a fast-changing world.
Filipino films teach us values such as resilience, family, faith, humor in hardship. They show the everyday lives of Filipinos. The worker, the student, the mother, the hero. That's why cinema becomes personal. We don't just watch films, we see ourselves in them.